Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 9th to the 21st, August 9th to the 13th. This is what the patterns forecast look like. We have a trough here off the west coast. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians, another ridge in the west, and we have a broad trough here across east central states. Near to above normal temperatures are forecast months for much of the interior northwest late in the week. Light precipitation will be across coastal and higher elevations of Washington. Heavy convective rainfall expected on the eastern side of the western ridge from New Mexico into the southern plains. Clouds and precipitation will result in below normal temperatures across this area. Precipitation will fall across the Great Lakes and northeast as a front pushes east. A front across the southern U.S. will cause afternoon showers and storms. And as the trough digs into the east central states, will cause widespread precipitation. August 12th to 16th. You look at the GFS, so not expecting much of a change. We still have our trough here, ridge over the western U.S. and a broad trough here across this area. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and for the northeast. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or higher in some areas. You can see we have plus 18 degrees here across portions of the northern Rockies. Below normal temperatures are forecast here into portions of the east, and forecasting anomalies to be about 2 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is about 35 to 45%, and below normal precipitation is forecast for northern New England. What the probability of occurrence is 35%. August 17th to 21st. We have above normal heights here, forecast over the northeast Pacific, and a trough across Alaska and to the west. We'll see that. Be something like this. Oops. Something like this, kind of a setup. And then we have above normal heights in the east. Most of their models are forecasting this. We have ridge, trough, ridge configuration. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and for the northeast and along portions of the east coast. And temperature anomalies of 2 to 12 degrees are forecast. Highest anomalies again are in the west. And below normal temperatures forecast for the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley. Forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and for northern New England. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast across this region here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 9th to the 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.